Hi everyone, just wanted to do a little update on some of the parts that I've bought. I've got here a steering rack, column out of a Mark 4. Got the bolt on the end as well. Really good nick. That's pretty much just needs cleaning up and ready to put in. I've got something that hasn't come yet, and that is I've got the whole key set. I've got the ignition barrel with keys, the 2 doors, and I've also bought the boot latch with a button and key. That ain't here yet, so that's one. And I'll back with the next bit. You have to excuse the dog bowl. I'm doing it in the house because obviously it's late now, so I'm gonna get my next thing. I got this, a grill. Unfortunately I received it, the bloke did refund me a little bit of money back on it because it was all split. There. I've put glue on it for now, but I'm going to reinforce it. I'm going to make something at the back here that reinforces each one of them. But that's the grill. All that's going to be painted in there. All the chrome's worn off it, but I'm just going to paint this, sand it all down and paint it. So that's the grill. While I'm there, I'll show you this. I've also got this expensive piece of kit, Android stereo system, which is going in there. I've bought a Wi-Fi antenna, one that goes on I can stick under the dash. Yeah, I think it's Android 10, but I wanted a thin one, so that'll be going in there. Let me just grab the other bits. Also got these. These are brand new in the box headlights. They're not originals, they are aftermarket, but they'll do. So brand new headlights, a pair of them. They also come with all the brackets and fixing. It's mainly this I wanted, because I can't find them anywhere. But then I saw these and I thought, oh, I'll have them. Brand new in the boxes. So I have now got let's have all of the front now. Actually, I just want to be careful with this. There you go. Yeah, they are. Says, what's that sound there? Halogen, but they're brand new. I mean, obviously some of the chrome is from storage is flaking off a bit, but yeah, I got a pair of them, so she'll have a new face. That one, I think that'd be the passenger side. Yeah, possibly passenger side. So I'll put that away and then I'll grab some of the next things that I've got. Brand new U-joint. Brand new old stock. Never been used before. Brand new with new rubbers. I've just got to. If anyone knows the size of the bolt that I need for in there, can you let me know? Because it hasn't come with a bolt there. I'm guessing it'll just be a standard regular bolt. Yeah, so that's that. I also got some stuff off Aaron Jacobs. I'll show you them if I can find them. So I'll be back with you in a sec. I got this 5 litres of Ford Cosmos Blue, so I've got the paint ready, and with that I've got 5 litres of thinner as well, so that'll be the paint sorted. Oh, that really stinks. I've got all the painting cups, my measuring sticks. I've got 5 litres of epoxy primer as well. So that's all the paint sorted out for the car. Let me go and see what else I've got. I did buy these, but I'm pretty certain that these are possibly the wrong ones. They are 9-inch, but I don't think that mine is meant to have these levers. I have ordered another set, but unfortunately I don't think these was the right ones for mine. I've got a set of them, so I have ordered another set. The only thing, I've got everything for the brakes. The only thing I haven't got is the adjusters, and I think there's another rod that goes in one of the fingers. I'm missing the adjuster and something else. I don't know what it is. If anyone's got any pictures or know of the whole lot of the bits that's required to put these together, because I've got all the fitting kits, all the springs and stuff, brand new. I just haven't got the adjusters for 9-inch brakes. I think these are, is it Girling brakes? So don't think they're for mine, but I have ordered a different set. What else have I got? Let me just grab this bag over here. Bag of goodies. Don't worry, this is not a battery. It was a battery. But these I think I've got with my seat rails, my seat bolts. Because I got a set of seat rails as well off someone, which are over there. There's no point in me showing them. It's just a set of seat rails. These are my, what are they? These are my wheel cylinders. Got 2 of those. What's in this bag? Oh, that's for me focus. Right, get some bits. Ah, there's the brake kit. I've got all the springs, all brand new. I have had to buy stuff for my focus as well, because I've got to get that on the road in the next couple of weeks as well, to get it off the grass, because I want to get a skip. This is a wire loom tape. So I can't get into it to show you, but it's just basically rolls of cloth tape that I'm going to do the wire loom with. This is, my address is on there. Let me just open this. Brand new coil. A sporty one, is it? It's got the baluster on it, so that's got to go in there on the back of the dash, back of the bulkhead bit. So I got that. Digging. Make sure my address in, I'm showing there. I got these 6 spark plugs, NGK. I've got 6 of those. Obviously, because it's a V6. What else? Hope this isn't boring you too much. Just so I know a lot of people are interested in parts. When people buy parts for stuff. This is oh, there you go. A new condenser. So, brand new condenser. What else? So I've got to be careful with the envelope because I've got my name on them. Points. So brand new set of points. That's it. Hang on a minute, it's in here. Oh no, that's another pack of those tapes. Right, let me go and find some other bits. all I can find at the minute is my HT leads. Brand new HT leads. Same person I got the points from by the looks of it. Scots. It's got a lot of classic stuff. So this is my haul. I've got the wiring loom, as you know. I think I've said that before. There's no point in me showing you that. It's basically just a wire loom. I've got my seat rails that my seat go onto that are not rotten like mine. So basically I can bolt them in so I can get the floor adjusted. So I've got all the paint, headlights, grille. The only thing I've got to get is the rest of the brake stuff, which I need some advice on, because I need the adjusters and obviously the specific size for the things. So I need help on that. If someone could comment below, let me know what else goes with these brakes, like the adjusters. There's a little bracket, I don't know what they're called. I think that's it. There is obviously more. I mean, I've got the heater box gaskets. I've got to find that box that I had off Aaron Jacobs. I've got the dash vents, window winders, door and doors, because one broke on the driver's side. I've got the bonnet stay. I've just bought the bonnet stay rubbers and clip that hold the bonnet stay in place. Now, I am working on a video on the car. A lot has changed. Where I built the bulkhead where the heater box goes, I've remade it. I've done it again. That's why it's took me so long to upload a video, because I've got better over time with stuff, welding and whatnot. And when I put the heater box back on, it was a little bit too low, so I've just cut it out and I've built a new one and completely finished it. The dash is all back in. I've done all inside the engine bay, like cleaned it up and prepped it and stuff. A video will be coming shortly on it, I promise. So please be patient, because it is time consuming. I don't want to be showing things that's uncompleted. I want to like show you the before and then get stuck in and get it done and show you again. I don't want you to keep having to see me doing the same stuff over and over again. Just like the A posts are all done, the scuttles all repaired, the doors line up. I'm basically working my way to the back of the vehicle, so it's getting there. Loads will be coming, so please bear with me. Please like and subscribe. Comment below on the brakes and whatnot. What I was on about. I think you know I've got the dash clock. You know I've got the dash clocks. Just got to sort my speakers out. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I promise it won't be too long. Bye bye. Sorry, I've just found the box from Aaron. And I forgot one other thing which I want to show you. Right, I got the vents there. I got the two door handles, window winders, two door handles, passenger and driver's side, and then there's this. I was watching Pete C, and I saw that he installed something and I loved it, so I went and done it myself. An electric aerial. So thanks Pete for that idea. Not expensive neither. So basically when I turn my stereo, the ignition on and my stereo on, this aerial will pop up. Zzz, electric. So I'll be installing that. Obviously nearer to the time when I start doing all the electronics and electrics. Because I've also got to build subwoofer box that's in the back compartment. So yeah, another little section. Obviously the bonnet stay came off Aaron as well, so thank you Aaron, you've helped me big time. So I've even got a spare one for the passenger side. The only thing I haven't got is the plastic bits that go in there, so I'll put these on the back doors for now. and I'll use the back door ones on the front. Although these are really nice. Anyway, that's the bit that I never got to show you. I've just found them. I'm really excited about this. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.